Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish and as promised, I'm back with all the latest, most updated news from the world of Bollywood and social media. We're gonna kickstart the show, but before that, I do want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. And with that, let's take a look at our top stories. Kangana takes a dig at Deepika, Sara, Shraddha and Rakul in new social media post. Alia Bhatt and Ajay Devgan may resume shoot soon for RRR. Akshay to resume Prithviraj shoot after completing bell-bottom schedule. Shoot for Deepika's next film comes to a standstill as she receives summon from the NCB. दीपिका पादुकोण का नाम बैन सब्सटेंसेस रिलेटेड चैट्स में इमर्ज होने के बाद गोवा में उनकी अगली फिल्म की शूटिंग रोक दी गई है और फिल्म के सेट्स पर कल से कोई काम नहीं हुआ है. Bollywood seems to be reeling under the pressure of the investigation by the NCB into procurement and consumption of banned substances. Now, it started off as an investigation into the case of Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakrabarti and people around them procuring and consuming banned substances. The NCB seems to have widened its scope that has included pretty much the entire film industry. Take a look. While Simone Khambata was interrogated by the NCB today, Rakulpreet Singh is unlikely to appear today. Deepika Padukone recently left for Goa to start filming her next film with Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi. The actor had been sharing updates on her social media page from her hotel counting down the first day of shoot. Unfortunately, it seems that after news broke of the actor's name being linked to chats where she allegedly discussed procuring banned substances with her manager, the shoot for the film has been called off. While Deepika has not responded to allegations against her or issued any statement as a clarification, Times Now's news reporter in Goa has shared that while the vanity vans are still standing, no shoot has happened from the day after the news broke of Deepika being named as a person of interest for the NCB. According to some eyewitnesses near the shoot location, filming has been discontinued since yesterday. The film's sets were reportedly set up 15 days ago, and according to the eyewitnesses' account, Deepika was supposedly seen on set 4 to 5 times since shoot began. Siddhant Chaturvedi had also shared an update from the shoot's location recently. While there had been rumors and unconfirmed reports for a while now, it seems like the NCB now has a definite plan in place for questioning multiple celebrities in relation to the procurement and consumption of banned substances. According to a Times Now news report, the NCB had scheduled to question Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, Rakulpreet Singh and Simone Khambata this week. Simone was questioned by the NCB today. It remains to be seen if the other stars summoned will appear before the NCB later this week. What truths will emerge from this questioning remains to be seen, but with more names likely to emerge as investigations intensify, the days to come will be tense for Bollywood. Kangana Ranaut says the Bollywood are regretting their cruelty, sadism and silence in a new social media post. The actor seems to have taken yet another jibe at her colleagues after reports of the NCB interrogating Bollywood celebrities emerged. The Panga actor has been attacking Deepika on social media over the past few weeks, referring to her attempts to address the myths and misnomers surrounding mental health issues as depression ka dhanda and mocking her use of the phrase "repeat after me" in a series of posts to create awareness about depression. has been very vocal about the fact that she is not happy with the so-called nepotism and lobbying that happens within Bollywood. And she has been speaking about this for a number of years. But she has been unusually vocal in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput taking on almost every colleague of hers from within the industry. From old foes like Karan Johar and Alia Bhatt to new targets like Taapsee Pannu, Deepika Padukone and Swara Bhaskar, Kangana seems to have a bone to pick with pretty much everyone from within Bollywood. Take a look. Recently, when news broke about Deepika's name having emerged in chats where she is allegedly asking her manager to procure banned substances, Kangana was quick to fire a sarcastic post in her colleague's direction. She commented, "Repeat after me. Depression is a consequence of abuse. So-called high society, rich star children who claim to be classy and have a good upbringing, ask their manager, hai kya?" With Ria's bail plea hearing being postponed again, वहीं मुंबई में आज एनसीबी ने रकुलप्रीत सिंह और सिमोन खंबाटा से बैंड सब्सटेंसेस के मामले में पूछताछ की है। रकुलप्रीत सिंह और सिमोन को आज बुलाया गया था, while Deepika will be questioned on the 25th and Sara and Shraddha on the 26th, according to a Times Now news report. As news reports emerge that the NCB may be questioning Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Rakulpreet Singh this week, indirectly taunting her colleagues in the industry. Using her favorite term, Bollywood, Kangana posted, "Finally, for the first time, Bollywood wishing that Sushant wasn't and Kangana wasn't pushed against the wall. For the first time, they are regretting their cruelty, sadism and silence. For the first time, they are wishing they could turn back time and bring us back." The actor has offered to assist the NCB in the past, offering to name and expose many celebrities and the culture of consuming banned substances in Bollywood. The NCB, which started investigating Rhea Chakrabarti's role in procuring and consuming banned substances, is now looking at a larger nexus between suppliers and high-profile consumers of these products in Bollywood. Alia Bhatt is yet to allot new dates to the magnum opus RRR after the pandemic delayed the shoot of the film. Director S.S. Rajamouli is trying hard to accommodate the dates of all his actors as the team plans a new shooting schedule for the film. After the teaser and first look of the main characters was released, audiences are very excited about this film, which is being made on a lavish budget. After giving us the magnum opus super hit Bahubali series, S.S. Rajamouli is all set to wow us with his next film, which is called RRR or Rise, Roar, Revolt in the Hindi version. Now, the film stars Ram Charan and Junior NTR as the protagonists of the film, but also has Ajay Devgan and Alia Bhatt playing very important and very key roles. Now, the film tells a story about two freedom fighters in the pre-independence era. We're waiting for this film to come out, but for now, here's the story. The makers have already filmed portions of the film in Hyderabad and Bulgaria, and there were reports that Ajay Devgan too had started filming his scenes for the movie. According to the grapevine, Ajay plays a mentor to one of the lead characters of the film. Unfortunately, the pandemic has delayed the pending schedules of the film, which is supposed to release on 8th of January 2021. As shoots slowly resume with many precautions, director S.S. Rajamouli is struggling to accommodate the dates and availability of all his stars. It is being reported that for a crucial schedule of the film, the director required all his actors to be available when shooting resumes, लेकिन पैंडेमिक की वजह से सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स डिले हो गए हैं और सभी एक्टर्स एक से ज्यादा फिल्मों पर काम कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। While the main leads Ram Charan and Junior NTR have already filmed considerable portions of the film in 2019, actors like Alia Bhatt, who has to also complete work on Brahmastra, and Gangubai Kathiawadi is yet to allot new dates for RRR after the previous schedule was cancelled. The project has battled many hurdles due to the pandemic and the long lockdown. A trial shoot had to be cancelled, and later director S.S. Rajamouli and his family all tested positive for the pandemic-related virus. कई मुश्किलों के बाद बाकी फिल्ममेकर्स की तरह राजामौली सर भी आरआरआर के पेंडिंग शूट को कंप्लीट करना चाहते हैं, एंड वी होप दैट द टीम इज एबल टू क्रैक अ शूटिंग स्केड्यूल सून सो दैट वी कैन लुक फॉरवर्ड टू वॉचिंग दिस ब्रिलियंट ड्रामा सून एंड होपफुली ऑन अ बिग स्क्रीन. Rhea Chakrabarti was the one who introduced Sushant to Kwan, alleges an anonymous friend to Times Now. Rhea, whose bail plea is pending in the High Court, has alleged that Sushant suspected his sister's motives and felt they were only interested in his money. Rhea Chakrabarti, who has been in judicial custody since early September, has filed for bail twice before, but her pleas have been rejected. The actor has now filed a fresh bail plea in the Bombay High Court, but the hearing has been postponed due to heavy rains in Mumbai. The blame game in Sushant Singh Rajput's case continues as Sushant's family and friends continue to blame Rhea for multiple things, including abatement of suicide. Meanwhile, Rhea continues to cast suspicion on Sushant's sisters and his father, saying that they weren't available for his son when he needed them. Now, while Rhea's trying to get bail in the case, she has recently revealed again an alleged incident about when Sushant needed his family the most, they weren't available for him. Check out the story. Rhea ने बेल प्ली में अपने आप को डिफेंड करते हुए कई इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मेंशन किए हैं. According to Rhea, Sushant had often tried to contact his family to talk about his battle with depression and the difficulties he was facing with his mental health. But they did not take the late actor's concerns seriously. She has also added that even when the sisters wanted to take him to Chandigarh in November 2019, he didn't travel with them because he doubted their intentions. She has also denied calling back Sushant from Chandigarh in January this year, adding that the late actor took a call to return on his own. जहां एक तरफ रिया अपने आप को बेकसूर साबित करने की कोशिश में लगी हैं, वहीं एक anonymous source ने टाइम्स नाउ को बताया है कि it was Rhea who introduced Sushant to talent agency Kwan, which is under the NCB scanner. The anonymous source, who claims to be Sushant's friend, added that it was Rhea who facilitated the meeting between Sushant and the agency, while alleging that Sushant को talent manager hire करने में खास interest नहीं था. He claims that the late actor believed that he could sustain himself in the industry even without celebrity management services. The source has denied, though, that Jaya Saha and Rhea were friends, but allegedly claims that Jaya was close to Shruti Modi. There are so many murky details emerging in the case almost every day that what the truth is and whether we will ever really know what happened on that fateful day in June or the days leading up to Sushant's tragic demise remains uncertain. बॉलीवुड में भले ही कंट्रोवर्सीज का तूफान आया हो, अक्षय कुमार remains as busy as ever. बेल बॉटम का शूट खत्म करके अक्षय जाएंगे पीरियड ड्रामा मोड में, रिज्यूमिंग फिल्मिंग फॉर द मैग्नम ओपस पृथ्वीराज इन मुंबई. Akshay Kumar remains one of the most successful and most busy actors in Bollywood even today. With the super success of the film Good News at the start of the year, Akshay had a whole bunch of possible blockbusters lined up for the rest of the year, including films like Lakshmi Bomb, Bell Bottom, Suryavanshi and Prithvi Raj. Now, unfortunately, due to the pandemic-related virus, film shoots had to be stalled and theatres were shut down, which have caused a film like Lakshmi Bomb to now possibly be releasing on an OTT platform, and Suryavanshi might still get a theatrical release this Diwali. But with this kind of good news coming in, Akshay is back on set in full vigor trying to complete the remaining of his projects. Take a look. The actor is one of the first film stars to resume work in the new normal. और फिलहाल वो लारा दत्ता, हुमा कुरैशी और वानी कपूर के साथ स्कॉटलैंड की खूबसूरत लोकेशंस में अपनी अगली फिल्म बेल बॉटम की शूटिंग में बिजी हैं.
जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि मैं इस वक्त स्कॉटलैंड में हूँ, बेल बॉटम की शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ और बीच में मेरा बर्थडे आ गया. अच्छा समय परिवार के साथ बिताने मिल गया और साथ में मिला आप सबका ढेर सारा प्यार.
The OG Khiladi, who turned 53 this year, remains one of the most bankable stars in the industry with multiple 100 crore hits in a year. वक्त के साथ-साथ अक्षय has also experimented with various genres. और आज एक्शन हो या कॉमेडी, सोशल ड्रामा हो या हिस्टोरिकल एक्स्ट्रावेगेंजा, अक्षय हर तरह की फिल्म में अपने हुनर दिखा चुके हैं. वर्सेटिलिटी के साथ वो बॉलीवुड के सबसे फिट और एनर्जेटिक स्टार्स में से एक है. एंड इट्स नो सरप्राइज देन दैट द एक्टर मे स्टार्ट फिल्मिंग फॉर हिज नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट ऑलमोस्ट इमीडिएटली आफ्टर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम स्कॉटलैंड. दैट्स राइट. खबरों के मुताबिक अक्षय की फिल्म पृथ्वीराज का शूट जल्द ही रिज्यूम हो सकता है. पैंडेमिक, लॉकडाउन और फिर मुंबई में मॉनसून की वजह से YRF प्रोडक्शन ऑलरेडी काफी ही डिले हो चुकी है. The makers had to dismantle the set they had built in Dahisar, which recreated the splendor of the 12th century Rajasthan. But now we're hearing reports that the team has been given a green light to start the groundwork again with the aim of resuming shoot from October. According to earlier reports, after the sets in Dahisar were dismantled and keeping safety precautions in mind, YRF may be planning an indoor shoot to complete the pending sequences of the film. Prithviraj is based on the valor and bravery of King Prithviraj Chauhan, who was the ruler of the Chahamana dynasty in Rajasthan. The film will also mark the debut of former Miss World Manushi Chillar, who plays Sanyogita in the film. Interesting बात ये है that while there were rumors earlier that Akshay's Prithviraj and Salman's Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai, would clash at the box office for Diwali, it now seems that both films will release on separate dates. Lekin in all likelihood, we may still have fireworks at the box office if Rohit Shetty's film Suryavanshi manages to release during Diwali at the box office after a long delay. And now it's time to take a very quick break on the show, but don't go anywhere. We're coming right back. According to unconfirmed reports, Deepika Padukone may be flying to Mumbai from Goa on a chartered plane after she received necessary permissions. Deepika Padukone, who had just reached Goa to start shooting her next movie alongside Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ananya Pandey, seems to have received a major setback when her name has allegedly cropped up in a chat from 2017 discussing procurement of banned substances. Deepika is the first A-lister whose name has come up in this investigation by the NCB that's looking to join the dots between peddlers and their A-list Bollywood clientele. Take a look. In another update on the NCB investigation, actor Rakulpreet Singh has now confirmed receiving summons from the NCB and will be questioned on the 25th of this month. There have been reports ever since Deepika's name surfaced in chats that she has been in consultation with her legal team to understand the legal options available to her before her questioning by the NCB. According to some reports, the actor will allegedly be taking a chartered flight from Goa to Mumbai today and will be questioned on the 25th by the NCB officials who are investigating a banned substance nexus in Bollywood. Deepika had sought permission for a chartered flight from Goa to Mumbai and reportedly left for Mumbai this afternoon. Deepika is the first major star whose name has cropped up in this widening investigation, and the allegations against her have sent shockwaves through the industry. Deepika has been accused of discussing the purchase of banned substances with her manager, who has also been called for questioning by the NCB. In another update related to the case, Rakulpreet Singh, who had denied receiving summons from the NCB, this morning has now acknowledged receiving the summons which the NCB clarified was shared electronically. Rakul is now expected to be questioned on the 25th of this month. She had earlier appealed in court that her name was unfairly associated with this case and claimed she was innocent of any wrongdoing. आखिर इन इन्वेस्टिगेशंस का क्या नतीजा होगा ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा, लेकिन फिलहाल अगले कुछ दिन बॉलीवुड के लिए कई मुश्किलें ला सकता है। And with that, we come to the end of another episode of your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. But we will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the most updated news from the world of Bollywood and social media. But for those of you who want minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities, don't forget to check out our Zoom Facebook page. I'll see you guys tomorrow.